I just received my Dry Erase 3-in-1 magnetic board pack for the fridge. It comes with the monthly calendar, weekly chore chart, blank board, and 5 markers. It is heavy duty with a strong magnet back and stays stuck to your fridge. It has stain resistance technology that wipes clean thousands of times. The monthly calendar planner has 6 weeks instead of the usual 5, so you'll be able to fit all of your appointments into one board. The second board is designed to be a chore chart for multiple kids. However, I use it as a weekly planner and sometimes a daily menu. The last board is a blank chalkboard that can be used for multiple things. One day it's a message board, the next day it's a grocery list, a kitchen to-do list, or if you have an active mind like me, it's your personal little doodle board. I love this pack. It made it to my Amazon must-have list, so I definitely recommend this product.